Welcome to this updated guide on how to switch between your Discord accounts. If you're managing multiple communities or just have different accounts for various purposes, switching between them should be a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once the app is open, you'll see your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your user settings. Now, you might be thinking, can I switch accounts directly? Well, currently, Discord doesn't allow direct account switching on mobile like it does on desktop. But don't worry, we've got a simple workaround. In your user settings, scroll down until you see the red Log Out button. Tap on it, and a confirmation window will appear. Make sure you remember your login credentials before proceeding. Once you confirm, you'll be logged out of your current account. Now, to switch to your second account, simply tap on the Login button on the welcome screen. Enter the login credentials for the account you want to switch to and hit the Login button. Voila! You're now logged into your second account. This process might seem a bit manual, but it's straightforward and works well if you only need to manage a couple of accounts. However, if you're handling more than a few, you might want to consider using Discord's desktop app or even multiple browsers to keep them all open at once. For those using the desktop version, you can take advantage of Discord's built-in account switcher. This feature allows you to log into up to 5 accounts and switch between them seamlessly. Just click on your profile picture, select Switch Accounts, and choose the account you want to use. That's it for today's tutorial. Switching between Discord accounts might not be as seamless on mobile, but with these steps, you'll be able to manage your multiple profiles with ease. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.